So make it every day. When you stand up, yawn. Ah, ah, you feel it? Ah, ah, ah. It looks really stupid, I know, but in the end of the day, no one will love when it comes to the singing. So, ah, 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 relax your jaw. Ah, relax your neck. Ah, 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 the soft palate comes up. Ah, ah, the larynx stays down. Ah, when I yawn, the larynx stays down. So some singers had a problem when they do like this, that the larynx goes up. So there's a blockade. And when you make like this, ah, it goes down, it stays down. Ah, 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 ah. So make them every day and you have them more air. You can also take a chair and sit like this. You can turn yourself forward and then breathe, and this can really become open. Ah, ah. Hey. Yes. So this is a really good exercise. So you can do that for your breath.